Greetings to all and welcome to the session 5 of Unit 2 Practice on Commands, which covers the course outcome 2 and 3, which include give dimensions, tolerance and geometrical tolerance, interpret and draw, edit and modify two dimensions, create isometric 3D drawings, and convert to orthographic views. So today we are discussing model number 16, which includes creating three-dimensional solid part when the orthographic views are given. So here comes the model 16, create three-dimensional solid part for the given two-dimension drawing. So you have given this two-dimension views, front and top view. Using these two dimensions, you need to generate three-dimensional solid part. So you have to observe all the dimensions carefully here. So let me explain this model step by step. So in the first step, you have to click on protrusion command and select the top reference plane, top XY reference plane. In order to draw this bottom portion of this feature, you have to select the protrusion command and select the top reference plane. Once you click on the top reference plane, it will move to the sketch mode. Here you need to draw the suitable sketch profile for the first feature. So you have to give all the dimension properly. So this 72, 30, 10 mm, 16 and 7. So once your sketch is completed for the first feature, you have to click on a return command from the sketch mode. Then you need to add the protrusion distance as 10 mm in order to add the material in Z direction. In the next step, in order to draw the second feature, you have to select the side face of the first feature as a reference plane. Then it will automatically move to the sketch mode. So in the sketch mode, you have to draw the suitable sketch profile for the second feature by giving proper dimensions, which includes this 16 mm, 24, 30 mm. So after your sketch is completed, you have to click on return command here. After that, you need to add the protrusion distance as 10 mm so that this material will be added in the Y direction. You can see here. So in the next step, which is final one, you can mirror this second feature by selecting a suitable reference plane. If the reference plane is not there, then you have to create the reference plane using parallel plane option. So you have to select the second feature and you have to select the proper reference plane about which this body has to be, this feature has to be mirrored. So this completes this model. Then you have to save this model. Then you have to go for drawing environment and make suitable sheet setup. Once your sheet setup is done, then you have to go for drawing view wizard and pull the isometric or 3D model of this solid part like this. So after that, you have to specify all the important dimensions which is given in the problem. So let me discuss this model in Solid Edge. Go to the Solid Edge. Click on solid part. And you click on the protrusion command. Select this top reference plane. Draw the suitable sketch profile now. Using smart dimension, give proper dimensions here. So this dimension is 72. Bring this line to the center with respect to this reference planes. The dimensions, this dimension is 30 here. Enter. So that it will come exactly in the center. This dimension is 30. Now there is a slot of 16 mm and 10 mm width. So this gap should be 30 minus of 16 is 14 mm, 7 mm here and 7 mm here. From this reference edge, it should be 7 mm. This width should be 10 mm. Then this length is 16 mm. Close this. Now trim this portion which is not required. So that's this slot is created now. So this completes the bottom feature, sketch profile for the bottom feature. Then you click on return option here, return. Then you have to give the protrusion length distance as 10 mm. So you can see here in the drawing this width is this thickness is 10 mm. So give here 10 mm distance. Click on finish. So this completes the bottom portion here. So next you have to concentrate on the top portion. So this one. For this you need to select this reference plane. Click on protrusion command. Select this reference plane. It will automatically move to the sketch mode. Here you need to draw the sketch profile for the second feature. You can see here this height is 26, but we have already drawn this 10 mm here. That means from here you need to draw 16 mm. Draw a 16 mm line here. The smart dimension, make it as 16. So after that we have a length of 24 mm here. So 24 mm. After that we have 30 mm distance here. So from this distance we have 30 mm that you have to join by a taper line. So make this dimension as 30. This dimension should be 24. You can see here. After that you draw a line here from end of this to this end of this. Now you erase all the construction line. So this completes the sketch for a second feature. Cross check all the dimension here. This distance from here to this end should be 30. It is maintained. Then you click on, when you confirm that your sketch is completed, then you click on return option here. Then you need to give this protrusion length as 10 mm. You can see here this distance is 10 mm here in this direction. So give in y direction 10 mm. Half portion of the second feature is completed. After that, you have to mirror this feature. For that, you have to go for mirror copy feature here. Mirror copy command you need to use. Click on that and select the portion which has to be mirrored. So this portion. After that, you have to select the reference plane here. I have the center reference plane here. See, if the reference plane is not there, then you have to create the reference plane by parallel plane option here. So already have the planes, so no need to create the extra plane here. So click on this reference plane. You can see here this has mirrored. So this completes this model. Once your model is completed, go to named views, select as ISO and save this model. File, save, OK. Save as model 6, model 16. Save, close this. Then go to the drawing environment here. Click on sheet 1 here, right click on sheet 1. You click on sheet setup. Then you select A4 sheet, uncheck this background, on OK. Now you click on fit. So then you go to the drawing view wizard. Select the model you have saved. This is the model 16 I have saved here, model 16. Click open. Then you click on next. Then you click on ISO here, isometric view. And click on finish. So this is the 3D solid part which I have created by using 2 dimension. Here you need to give the suitable dimensions which is required, which is given in the problem. So give the using smart dimension, give all the dimensions which is required. This dimension, this height, this width. All the dimension. So next you can write any text here, because go to the text command here and select the suitable font style. Select the size of the font, click and drag here so that you can write anything here. So this completes this model. Thank you one and all for watching. Finally, I would like to thank all my team members. Thank you one and all.